Tennis, 85 pesos only, bro. Sana po, isa po.
Wiwi muna, wiwi. Yung tubig. Pero boss.
Bola ng interest.
Ano.
Wow, grabe si Boss Bobo. Ganda na pinakita. Abangan natin yan sa susunod na week. No problem ba sa ikaw? Maraming salamat. Start na po. Good ball. Hindi na si Borgoles. Pero ano ba? Ano pa wala? Si Malate 23. Ako yung sa Malate. Alas 10 ng gabi. 2 points. Borgoles. Yan ang start. Start. Tingnan na. 2 points. Marcel Jordan. 52. I find it sorry. 5-2 favor of interest. Joma, kinalisa, net na all five. Grabe si Joma. Nag-iinit. Nag-iinit ka pa yun ah. Pinapatay na si Borgoles. Kung hindi yun mga shooter. Mahal natin. Para si Custodio. Custodio, nagbubukin niya ng extra point po pa Steven. Steven. Oscar, maraming salamat. Oscar.
Thank you.
Oscar. Hindi ka naman. Picture ka ng saglit. Picture sana. Boss Kenneth, pwede mo ba pag-picture ka ng saglit sa inyo? Yung cellphone ka. Isang picture lang. 10 seconds to shoot. Video, 8-5. Buhay yung bola. Kaya yun, dito sa ano tagal na sa sapatos. Parang takay. Wow. Sana all. Kaya mo. Sana all. Steal. Malate, pass to Torres. 2 points, Torres. 8 is a 5. How good? They were by Custodio. Maraming salamat po sa picture. Ako rin pa-picture ko na. Service is 29. 10-5. Ito presa naman. Okay. Vivo Boys. 2 points. Sige. Panawa. 10-7. Steal by Goma. Mansan. Third number. 2 points. Goma. Mansan. 10-9. 17-27. 10-9 na pangasa. Inayaan si Totoo. Vivo Boys. JM. Second team foul. Three points. 3 points, John. 12-10. In favor of team. Steven. 3. Kaya pangalawa, 15-10 na. 15-10. In favor of team Steven. Steal by Javier. Javier. Wala kami Ibabay. Video. Maraming salamat, Oscar Reyes. Next week ulit. Para mag-pinig na. Next week ulit, Oscar. 10 seconds shoot. 3. Jordan Tom, 15-13.
Salam, pag-ayaw. Miss. Salam. Miss na pag-ayaw.
Bigay o
Miss. Salam.
Gitna na lang po.
Ayun na, kayo nyo.
Team Steven. Oras, 5 minutes and 46 seconds. 13-15, lamang Team Steven ang dalawa. 15-13, 5 minutes and 34. 2 points and back on 17-13. 2 points, Malate, 17-15. 5 minutes and 20. 15 seconds to shoot. Ingrid Green! Jay Palawan, 20-15. 5-point lead by Team Steven. Last possession for change. Last possession. Pass to Marchal. Marchal. Pass to Torres. Pass to Bishop. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Torres alone. W. 4 minutes and 45. Last possession for change. Last possession. Pass to the boys. It's for the hockey. 22-15. In favor of Team Steven.
Bito.
10 seconds to Navin Bimomay Cortales. 14 seconds to Tapal Navin Navin Bimomay Marchal. Marchal sa ilalim, Marchal. Steal by Javier. 4 minutes exactly. Javier lepas to Noyes Angelo. Javier. 24-15. Malate, Sumon, Malate. 24-17. Palawan pa rin. Step up 3. Nugget, 3-5, Malate. Pass to Torres. 24-17, Torres sa loob. Sorry ka pa ni Torres, 2 points. Torres. Score, 24-18. In favor of Team Steven. Out of bounds. Good ball.
Baba.
One. Grabe yun, kukumando pa rin. Palawan. 2 minutes. Pass to short number Steven. Nugget. Torres. Torres yung shoot. Tapos si Torres yung shoot. Torres. Pass to Marchal. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Malate. 5 seconds to shoot. Malate. 2 points. Malate. 24-21. 3-point lead by Team. 2 points. Domar Nelson. 26-21. Nugget. 5 by Jay. Palawan. 2 minutes and 10. Javier Malalo, 23. Nugget, 5 by Bishop. Last 2 minutes. Sa tisayin ng Cobra Green, sigurado, tulog na. Nugget, 5 by Custodio, sa ilalim. Custodio, bumangga. Custodio pa rin. Foul by jersey number 14. Angelo Javier. 14 seconds shoot. Second team foul. Pass to Marchal. Marchal may shoot. 14 seconds shoot. 10 seconds shoot. 8 seconds shoot. 5 seconds shoot. 8-3. Nugget. Ito pa Javier. Javier. 1 minute and 33 seconds. 36-21. What a pass! Put on the screen by Steven Pamora. 28-21. 1 minute and 8 seconds left. Torres. Driver by Flores. 9 seconds to shoot. Steal by Joman. 55 seconds left. Joman. Okay, dito pa yung Custodio. To Tortoles. Tortoles, taking 3. Ang layo nun. Tuloy mo, Toy. 2 points pa natin. 41 seconds, 28, 23. 38 seconds, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Steal by Lucho. 25 seconds left. Shot clock off. 3 Tortoles. 15 seconds na lang. Shot clock off pa po yan. 20 on 20 on 20. 9 seconds. 7, 6, 5. Good ball. Wow. 5 seconds. On 20. On 20. On 20. 2, 1. Wow. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. All 20. All 20. 2 seconds. Labas po, labas muna, labas. Labas muna, wala pa, wala pa. Labas lang po, labas. Hindi mo nakahandog, hindi mo nakahandog. 2 seconds po. 2 seconds po. 2, 1.
Nice one.
1
1 seconds.
1 second.
Ganun
1
din,
second.
napagod kayo.
1 second. 1. Overtime po, 1 minute. Overtime, 1 minute. Grabe. Kanina po bola kanina. Bola po ng team. Yung sino po nakakuha ng first possession? Sino nag-miss? Supply? Bola nila na supply. Kailangan. Bola nila. 1 minute na to, 1 minute. Labas na po.
Labas, labas.
Bola ng team. 3. Ay, sino ba? Bola 3, tama. Bola 3, bola 3. Bola 3. 1 minute.
1 minute lang yan ha.
Watch out, 83. Okay, we go by Javier. Javier, pass to Javier. Guided by Martin. Here. Javier, pass to Flores. 2 points, 2 points. Flores, protecting your team. Malaki, guided by Mabon. 15 seconds. Steal by Javier. 29 seconds left. Mapora. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Not good. 32. 10 seconds na lang po. 10 seconds na lang po. Shot lang po. 10 seconds na lang po. 10 seconds.
Score. Score. Score.
10 seconds na lang po. 30, 20. Lamang po ang Steven, 30, 20. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And pagkakaliwan ng panalo ang Team Steven with score of 30-30. Pahinga sa po, pasok na po.